This video is going to go over some examples of expressions that you may have to solve on the midterm. This will be worth 10 points. There will be 5 expressions that you will need to solve. And take a look at Lab 8, the expressions lab. Make sure it makes sense to you. If it doesn't, send me an email. If you scroll down to the end of the midterm review, you will see that I have solved all of the expressions. I'll solve a few of them for you on this video. I'm not going to solve this first one. It's pretty straightforward. You need to remember you must follow the order of operations. So multiplication and division is going to happen before the addition. And I'll solve this one because it's got the modulus operator. So we have modulus, subtraction, and addition. You must do the modulus first. 73 mod 10 will be 3 because 73 divided by 10 is 7 with a remainder of 3. Recall that's what the modulus is. 6 mod 10 is 0 with a remainder of 6. And 28 mod 3 is, well, 27 is 9 times 3, so that'll give us a remainder of 1. So now we'll just move through. 3 minus 6 is negative 3 plus 1. So the solution to that is negative 2. I will do the next one. This symbol is not addition. This symbol is concatenation. Recall that if you have the plus sign next to a string, what you're doing is concatenation. Recall the order of operation. So you're going to do whatever is in parentheses first, regardless of the operand inside. Negative 3 plus 10, so there's a 7. Next in the order of operation is division, but recall we have 2 integers here. What type of division is this? This is integer division. So 11 divided by 3 is about 3.6, I believe, but that's truncated to 3. Everything else now is the addition operator. So we just go from left to right. Going left to right, we have 5, then add that 5 to 9. So here we have the value 14. Now, because this is a string, this will be converted to a string automatically, and we'll get 14 and then the decimal place. Now, because this is a string, it will then concatenate that. And this will also be concatenated. So we have 14.73. Just be aware, follow the order of operations, and that plus sign around a string will be string concatenation. For this expression, the main trick is to remember that these will all be integer divisions here. However, we have a double and an integer here. This is going to result in a double. So after we've completed the integer division, we end up doing a division resulting in a double and adding in this value that will result in integer division. Looking at order of operation, 1.0 times 2 is going to give us a double now. So the next operation we'll be doing is the integer division. We do that left to right. So 3 divided by 14 will actually be 0.02 or something like that. But we truncate that. So this is going to be 0, this value. So now this is the numerator to that integer division. So 0 divided by 7, and we end up with another 0. And now we have another division, but one of the operands is a double. 0 divided by 2.0 results in the double 0.0, not the integer 0.0. Now we'll do this division, and we're back to integer division. So we have an integer divided by an integer, and that's going to give us 1. The last operation that we'll do is this plus. Since this is a double, this will implicitly convert to a double. And so I am looking for 1.0, not 1 as the answer. Notice, be sure to list a constant of the appropriate type. For example, 7.0 rather than 7 for double. I will be looking for 1.0 here. For this expression, We have some logical operators now. So you need to remember the order of operation. First of all, we have parentheses. So we will first do inside the parentheses. But we have multiple operators inside of the parentheses. We have the relational operator less than, logical operator anding, and the relational operator not equal to. With the relational operators, they're all really on the same level of order of operation, so we just do left to right. Is 3 less than 7? That's true. And here's the next relational operation. Is -1 not equal to 8? That's true. Now we'll AND those two values. True and true results in true. So the result of the parenthesis is true, but notice what operation is in front of the parenthesis is the not. So the not of true is false. So this answer will be false. In this expression, here are the current values of these variables. Again, you are going to do inside the parenthesis first. Looking at the operators, we have a plus, a greater than, an or, and a less than. So the order of operation is first you do mathematical. Of course, mathematical has its own rules within it. And then you'll do relational. Relational is just left to right order. And then you'll do the logical. With the logical, not, and, or. That's the order if you have more than one logical operator. Okay, so we will do the mathematical first, and we're going to add amount and tax together. So this will be 428. Then we'll do these two relational expressions. We'll just go left to right. So is 428 greater than 350? And that's going to be, yeah, that's true. 428 is greater than 350. Now we'll do this relational expression. Is 3 less than quantity? That's true. True or true, and this expression is true. Now we have DL and not that. We just have two Boolean operators now. The order, again, of Boolean operations are not and or, so we're going to do the not of true, and we'll get a false. Not true is false. Since driver's license is true, we'll have true and false, and this will be false.